Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're walking you through how to withdraw Solana from GMGN in 2025 using the best method. If you need to move your SOL to a personal wallet or another exchange, follow these simple steps for a smooth withdrawal. Let's get started. 1. Log into your GMGN account. Head to the GMGN website or app and sign in with your credentials. Make sure your account is fully verified to avoid any withdrawal issues. Hap 2. Navigate to the withdrawal section. Go to the Wallet section and find Solana SOL in your balance. Click on Withdraw to start the process. 3. Enter your Solana wallet address. Copy the receiver wallet address from your Phantom, Trust Wallet, or any Solana-supported wallet. Paste it carefully into the withdrawal field on GMGN to avoid errors. 4. Choose the withdrawal amount. Enter the amount of Solana you want to withdraw. Make sure you leave a small balance for any potential network fees. 5. Confirm and complete the withdrawal. Double-check all the details and click Confirm Withdrawal. You might be asked to enter a 2FA code or verify the transaction via email. Once confirmed, your withdrawal will be processed. 6. Check the transaction status. Head over to Solana Explorer or your wallet to track the transaction status. Solana transactions are usually fast, but network congestion can sometimes cause slight delays. And that's it. You've successfully withdrawn Solana from GMGN in 2025. Let us know in the comments if this guide was helpful, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. See you in the next one.